Hi class, welcome to another session of sixth grader, and for today we are going to continue our sessions. Last week we will talk about at the airport, the topic of lesson 13, and now we are going to continue for the second meeting of the 13th lesson. Okay, so let's see what we are going to learn for today. So for today, we're going to cover the reading about going for holiday and as well as for listening. And you're going to watch flight announcements and there will be kind of task or exercise and also homework regarding this topic. Okay, let's get into the first topic. Okay, so this is about reading, going for holiday. Oh, it's supposed to be holiday, not holiday. Sorry for the writing. It's supposed to be holiday. Let's moving on. Okay, reading. So this is a conversations between two people who are about going for a holiday or maybe just about visiting families. It's a conversation between Jane and Ken. We are going to read, I'm going to read these conversations, and then we are going to take a look on some vocabularies. Maybe it's a verb or it's adjective, maybe. Then then we are going to have a practice. For have the exercise after this dialogue. Okay, so let me read this dialogue first. Going for holiday. So I'm going to not mention the name. I just directly read the dialogue. Okay. Okay. Going for holiday. Hello, Jane. Hi, Ken. How are you? Oh, fine. Uh, thanks. Fine, thanks. Where are you going to fly? Oh, my family and I are going to fly to Bali. We are going to spend holiday there. What about you? Well, I'm going with my family too. Our destination is Yogyakarta. Where do you get on the plane? Oh, the plane leaves from gate 20 at 11. What time is it now? It's 9:45. You still have plenty of time. When do you get on the plane? So as they are talking, okay, suddenly there is an announcement about a flight, okay, and this is the announcement. Sounds like Garuda Indonesia announces the departure of flight 137 to Yogyakarta at 10:12 a.m. The passenger, please go to gate 24. Oh, that's my plan. I have to go now, Jane. I have to go, Jane. Bye. Have a nice holiday. Bye, Ken. Have a nice flight. Okay, so that's the conversation or the dialogue between Ken and Jane, who are about to get on board or to get on the plane for um, traveling to Bali or Yogyakarta and Yogyakarta. Okay, so we are going to see some vocabularies here and try to get the meaning maybe about the context related to the context. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going to see. Okay, so here we have fly. There's a word fly. Fly, it could be verb and it also can be a noun. Okay, so kata fly itu dia bisa sebagai kata kerja, bisa juga sebagai kata benda ya. Kalau di sini dia posisinya sebagai kata kerja, obviously of course. Nah, Kalau sebagai kata kerja, berarti dia adalah artinya adalah terbang, ya. Terbang, while sebagai kata benda, kalau sebagai kata benda dia tuh artinya seekor binatang atau insek, ya, serangga, lalat, ya, lalat. Okay, so that's for the fly. Going to fly, going to fly, going to fly ini adalah kegiatan ekspresi untuk sesuatu yang akan dilakukan. So as you can see here, kita dulu sebelum pernah belajar tentang be going to. Nah, be going to itu adalah ekspresi atau sentence atau tenses yang kita pakai untuk menjelaskan tentang kegiatan yang akan dan definitely itu akan kita lakukan. So because we are going to, it means that mereka can, Jane maksudnya ya, Jane maupun Ken itu mereka udah plan to depart atau plan to leave for holiday atau for visiting the family. So that's why ketika sampai dalam discussions ini, kalau kalian perhatikan, most of the tenses used in this dialogue adalah be going to, ya. Be going to itu aku ulang lagi, digunakan untuk menyatakan kegiatan yang definitely, ya, definitely itu akan kita lakukan karena kita udah plan kegiatan itu sebelumnya, a day atau mungkin a week atau a month before, ya. So that's why this context, not only Ken but also Jane, they both use be going to, ya. Be going to, di sini ada beberapa ekspresi be going to. Di sini my family and I are going to, okay, and we are going to, and di sini I'm going with my family too. So those are expressions that definitely it will be happen, ya. Okay, next itu kita punya kata spend, ya. Spend itu biasanya dia kalau kita dalam collocation itu biasanya spend itu dia pakai preposition on. So we say spend on, ya. I'm going to spend my money on let's say maybe clothes, atau I'm going to spend my money on the phone, on phone. So itu adalah spend. Nah, spend itu di samping digunakan untuk menghabiskan, biasanya konteksnya ada dua, ya, untuk menggunakan kata spend itu. Spend itu bisa untuk spend time, ya, atau spend money, ya. Kalau spend di konteks kalimat ini dia refer ke spend time, ya. In my holiday, so we are going to spend holiday, so itu refer ke time, ya. Kalau refers ke apa namanya money, itu pasti spend my money on something, biasanya kayak gitu ekspresinya, ya. So this one is a collocation expressions, ya. Collocation expressions itu maksudnya ekspresi yang biasanya dipakai dalam daily dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. So that's collocation expressions. Okay, next one we have a holiday. Holiday, I believe you know about that one. Holiday itu liburan, ya, atau some people say vacation itu juga holiday. They both, I mean, vacations and holiday, they both have the same meaning, but berlibur, ya. Next one we have destinations. Okay, destinations kemarin kita udah pernah bahas tentang destinations dalam vocabulary, ya. Di vocabulary kita salah satu new vocabulary-nya adalah destinations. Destinations itu tujuan, ya. Tujuan, our destinations. Oh, tujuan kita adalah ke Jogja. Okay. So kalau regarding the destination itu tentunya kalian bisa juga ada yang namanya departure, ya. Kalau di dalam kosakata atau vocabulary yang berhubungan dengan airport itu ada yang namanya departure and arrival. So those are vocabulary that's related to airport context, ya. Kalau arrival itu kedatangan, ya. Sedangkan kalau departure itu adalah keberangkatan. Okay, next we have the plane. I believe you are quite familiar with this one. Plane, ya, pesawat. And then leaves, ya. Leaves itu sebuah kata kerja. As you see here, the plane itu dia kan tunggal. That's why kita lihat di sini leave-nya itu dia pakai tambahan s because the plane is singular. So that's why you have to put s and s. in the verb, on the verb. Okay, so it's become the plane leaves. Ya. Oh, next itu adalah gate ya. Gate di sini adalah pintu ya, atau ya gerbang, konteksnya memang gerbang ya, tapi di konteks tentang airport, gate itu maksudnya kayak pintu masuk gitu ya, pintu masuk nomor berapa gitu, like that one. Okay, so that's for gate, pintu masuk untuk apa namanya ya, untuk boarding ya. Untuk siap-siap maksudnya untuk get on the plane. Ya. At 11, I think it's quite familiar. At 11 ekspresi tentang waktu ya. At 11 ya. And next one, it's 9:45 ya. 9:45 itu ini sebuah ekspresi apa namanya, collocation dalam menyampaikan waktu ya. Biasanya kalau yang formal itu kan biasanya kan kalau 9:45 itu berarti kan a quarter to 10 ya, a quarter to 10. Tapi di sini ekspresinya dia sangat casual. They say it's Ken bilang 9:45 ya. Jadi kita baca kayak habis baca jam terus baca menitnya gitu ya. Just like this one, 10:12 ya, 10:12. Okay, next one is plenty. Well, some people say plenty, some people say plenty. But I think I prefer to say plenty instead of plenty, because when Western people pronounce the T in between, in the middle of the word, they usually reduce. Mereka biasanya mengurangi atau sometimes menghilangkan ya. Dia bunyi T-nya itu dia soundless ya, tidak begitu terdengar, even not really can be heard as well. So I prefer to say plenty. Yeah, you can say plenty. Well, you have plenty of time to do something, yeah, like that. So you can say plenty or plenty. I think it's okay. Okay, now let's see the announcement. So when an announcement of flight, it's announced in the airport, they usually mention about several things. The first time is about the flight number. The next one is about the destinations. And next one is about the time. And last but not least, about the gate. So those are 4 informations contained in every flight announcement. Okay, so yeah, later you will be asked to make this kind of announcements using another table, yeah, table dalam in your book, yeah. Okay, next one is, okay, I forgot. So announces it means menyampaikan atau memberitahukan, ya. Announcement. Announce itu menyampaikan, sedangkan announcement itu kata kerjanya, kata bendanya itu adalah pemberitahuan ya. So announce itu kata kerja menyampaikan atau memberitahukan, while announcement itu adalah kata bendanya, pemberitahuan. Okay, passenger. Okay, passenger. I believe you're quite familiar. So people who get on board, we call them as passengers. So orang-orang yang naik di kapal, di pesawat ya, get on board itu apa kita bilangnya adalah penumpang atau penumpang. Dalam bahasa Indonesia sama ya, penumpang pesawat, penumpang kapal ya. But in airplane or plane, they use people who get on board on the plane. I mean, as passenger. Oh, I forget ya. Di sini ada ekspresi get on the plane ya. Get on the plane atau get on the bus itu 2 ekspresi yang sama, atau juga salah satu ekspresi collocation. Atau bisa juga ada ekspresi lain yang punya synonym meaning dengan itu adalah get on board ya, get on board. Get on board itu juga sama, naik maksudnya ya. Well done. Oke, so ada yang terakhir adalah closing ya. Closing itu ada di sini ada di Jane bilang have a nice holiday, and then Jane reply by saying have a nice flight. So ini adalah sebuah apa namanya ekspresi yang sangat sopan ya ketika kita closing ketika sebuah percakapan dalam konteks mau melaksanakan perjalanan dengan pesawat ya. Okay, so that's for review about the reading. And now you are going to have the exercise. Do you have to make an announcement? Ya, buat announcement, 3 announcement yang berkaitan dengan informasi yang ada dalam buku Basic English, ya Basic English 6, halaman 112, part G, ya. Nanti dikerjakan dan di-share ke tutornya, masing-masing teacher, ya. Okay, yeah, you may share the result. Next one, we are going to listen for flight announcement. And you need to pay attention on what is the gate and another informations about number of flights. So you have to pay attention on the flight number and the gate. Okay, so I'm going to play the audio, and as you listen to the audio, write the flight number and the gate number. Okay, let's hear the audio.
Welcome to Numeral Series. This video will help you to train your listening skills to catch flight announcements. As a rule, the flight announcement includes such information as a flight number, a destination, and a gate. For example,
passengers for flight GA642 to Rome, please go to gate 26.
Now practice catching flight announcements, filling in the gaps with the right information. Announcement 1. Passengers for flight KL723 to Paris, please go to gate 23. Announcement 2.
Good morning. This is an announcement for all passengers traveling on the 9:25 flight TOM 1223 to Rome. This flight is delayed by 2 hours because of bad weather.
Announcement 3. Passengers for flight JA251 to Tokyo, please go to gate 38. Announcement 4.
Would all passengers traveling to Tokyo on flight FR3421 please have your boarding passes and passports ready for boarding? Flight FR3421 now boarding at gate 21.
Announcement 5. Passengers for flight BA214 to London, please go to gate 89. Announcement 6.
This is the final boarding call for passengers Gemma and Ryan Gray flying to Athens on flight EZ9753. Your flight is ready to leave. Please go to gate 14 immediately. The doors of the plane will close in 5 minutes. Final boarding call for passengers Gemma and Ryan Gray.
Announcement 7. Passengers for flight TG126 to Bangkok, please go to gate 35. Announcement 8.
This is an announcement for passengers traveling to Amsterdam on flight KL1050. Will all passengers with express boarding tickets and passengers traveling with young children please go to gate 6 for boarding? That's all passengers with express boarding tickets and passengers traveling with young children go to gate 6 for boarding. Thank you.
Okay, so that's for the flight announcements. I believe, I hope that you can catch all of the announcement. And
Welcome to numeral.
sorry, and then you may share your answer with your teacher. Okay, so next one we are going to go for the vocabulary check. This is another exercise vocabulary, exercise 3 vocabulary, taken from page 115, yeah, 115, part K, number 1 up to number 6. Okay, so number 1 up to number 6. You may do the exercise, but don't forget to, if you do it in your book, I mean your textbook, ya, buku basic English, kalian boleh langsung coret di situ pilihannya. Kalau kalian do on your writing, I mean on your notebook di buku catatan, please write also the text, ya, jawab soalnya juga. Gak harus nulis ABCD-nya, tapi kalian bisa tulis complete sentence-nya, ya. Okay, next one. Yeah, once you have done with the exercise, please share your exercise with your teacher. Yeah. Okay, now let's see the homework. Nah, homework kali ini itu kita akan buat, kalian akan diminta untuk membuat a video recording, ya, atau audio recording. It's up to you. If you go with if you can go with the video, I will be really appreciated. But if you can't, well, you can do the audio, ya. Kalau bisa buat video recordingnya, that's really great, ya. But if you can't, you can do the audio, ya. Boleh pakai audio aja, nggak masalah. Okay, so kalian akan mendengar, aku akan play sebuah announcement, ya. Dan ada narasinya. Nah, kalian akan diminta untuk membuat sebuah recording, ya, tentang announcement tersebut, ya. Okay, now let's see or watch the announcement. Kita coba watch the announcement-nya, ya. Nanti ada running text gitu, semacam running text atau display text gitu, ya, yang akan dibaca. Okay, let's hear the announcement.
Good afternoon, passengers. This is a pre-boarding announcement for Flight 89B to Rome. We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding at this time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes' time. Thank you.
Okay, so that's the announcement that you have to make in audio or video, and then send it to your teacher. Okay, so the time limit will be depend on your teacher. Your teacher will set the time limit when you should submit the audio or the video recording of the announcement, flight announcement. Okay, should you have any questions about the assignments, you may discuss or you may ask your teacher. Oh, sorry. Okay, so that's the recap for today. So we are already discussed about drill reading. We also talk about some phrases or some collocation expressions or some vocabulary regarding the context about the airport and going for holiday. And we have also learned about about flight announcements, and also in the homework you are required to make an announcement or recording about flight announcements using the narrations that already been given or being showed on this video. I believe that's all for today. Thank you for watching and joining this meeting, and have a nice day. I'll be seeing you on the next meeting. Bye and have a nice day. Stay safe, everyone.